To factory reset your GoPro, swipe your finger down on the screen, just right here, and reach the right page. You will find Preferences. Select it and scroll down to the very bottom of this page. You will find the Reset option. And again, the very last option here is Factory Reset. Select it. And yes, this will reset your settings, clear your connection, and remove the camera from your GoPro Cloud account. So if you're ready to do this, hit the reset button and wait for the process to be completed. This is usually something that you do before you sell back your camera, or maybe if you have a huge problem and want to try to set it back to default. Once it will reboot, this will be just like a brand new camera out of the box, and you can set it up again.